Alright guys, check it out. This is my new truck. You might recognize it from some videos I had of it plowing, and yes, it did come with the plow. Was my dad's truck. Well, he sold it to me, seeing as how the Dodge Ram is out, and so is the 1-ton. So we got a nice 94, I believe, Dodge 95 or 94 Dodge Dakota 318 V8, fully loaded. Got power door locks and power windows and everything. It's only got 115,000 miles on it, but we put an exhaust system on it just the other day. This is the single chamber Flowsound exhaust system, and we'll show you what she sounds like. Hopefully that sounded good on the camera, guys. So, yeah, I'm going to go upload this guy. So, she's got new meat on her, nice new tires, 4-wheel drive works, automatic. Yep, we're going to put a new rear bumper on her and a couple of small things here and there, and we'll keep updates on her, so hope you guys liked it. See you soon.